Understanding yaw, pitch, and roll. The basics of movement. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial not just for aviation enthusiasts, but for anyone curious about how objects move in three-dimensional space. We're talking about yaw, pitch, and roll. These terms may sound technical, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what they mean and how they apply to everyday situations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of these movements together. Yaw, pitch, and roll are terms used to describe the three axes of rotation that any object in three-dimensional space can move around. Imagine any vehicle, like a car, airplane, or even a spaceship. How it moves and turns can be explained through these three motions. Yaw refers to the rotation around the vertical axis. It's like turning your head left and right to say, no. In aviation, yaw moves the nose of the aircraft left or right. Pitch is the rotation around the side-to-side axis. This movement is similar to nodding your head up and down to say, yes. In an airplane, pitching adjusts the nose up or down, affecting the aircraft's ascent or descent. Roll involves rotation around the front-to-back axis, akin to tilting your head to rest it on your shoulder. For an aircraft, roll tilts the wings up and down. Understanding these concepts is essential for piloting aircraft, but they also apply to maritime and land vehicles. Now, let's connect these movements with examples you might encounter in your daily life. Yaw. When you're turning a corner in your car, you're primarily using yaw. The car rotates around its vertical axis to change direction. Pitch. If you're on a roller coaster that goes up and down, you're experiencing pitch. The front of the roller coaster tilts up and down, taking you with it. Roll. Imagine you're on a boat that tilts side to side due to waves. That tilting motion is roll, where the boat rotates around its longitudinal axis. These examples show how yaw, pitch, and roll are not just technical jargon but part of our everyday experiences. Understanding these concepts is crucial not just for pilots or sailors but for anyone interested in physics, engineering, and even video games. Knowing how yaw, pitch, and roll work can help you understand how vehicles are controlled, how they can be designed for stability, and how virtual environments simulate real-world physics. Moreover, these concepts can improve your spatial awareness and help you appreciate the complex dynamics involved in navigating and controlling vehicles in three-dimensional space. And that wraps up our journey through the fascinating world of yaw, pitch, and roll. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of these crucial movements and can appreciate how they influence not just the flight of an aircraft but many aspects of motion in our world. Remember, the next time you're in a vehicle, think about which of these movements you're experiencing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting explainer videos. See you next time.